Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to jump-start your CLA 250. First, ensure you have jumper cables, safety gloves, and eye protection readily available. Park the assisting vehicle close enough for the cables to reach, but do not let the vehicles touch. Both cars should be turned off and in park or neutral with the parking brake engaged for everyone's safety. This preparation is crucial. Now, let's connect the cables. First, attach one red positive clamp to the positive terminal of your dead CLA 250 battery. Then, connect the other red positive clamp to the positive terminal of the assisting vehicle's good battery. Next, connect one black negative clamp to the negative terminal of the good battery. Finally, attach the other black negative clamp to an unpainted metal surface on your CLA 250, away from the battery. With the cables securely connected, start the engine of the assisting vehicle. Let it run for about 5 to 10 minutes to allow some charge to transfer to your CLA 250 battery. After this brief charging period, try to start your CLA 250. If it doesn't start immediately, wait another few minutes before trying again. Do not crank the engine for more than 10 seconds at a time. Once your CLA 250 is running, carefully disconnect the cables in the reverse order of connection. Start by removing the black negative cable from the ground point on your CLA 250. Then, disconnect the black negative cable from the assisting vehicle's battery. Next, remove the red positive cable from the assisting vehicle's battery. And finally, the red positive cable from your CLA 250 battery. Remember to check the description below for a link to a great book about money and other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.